So, get called by an insurance agent to do a roof inspection. They had a home inspector come out to check out the home, and he noticed some issues with the metal roof, and they called me to inspect those areas and see what's needed to be done to complete some repairs. So I want to do a quick video of all the things I found, and we'll start right here on the ladder. So we've got a exposed fastener metal roof, and underneath we've got some three tab or architectural shingles, can't quite tell, and not sure if we can see underneath there, but they stripped it out. Didn't put down any underlayment as a vapor barrier. Next item, you can see screws are backing out everywhere. Probably because they didn't install them correctly, obviously. And one big thing, they also put the screws up the center of the panels. Spread it about 4 foot apart, and the overlaps can just be picked up like that, which is why you don't put the screw in the middle. It's supposed to be next to the rib. And if you're going to do anything else, you add little small stitch screws to the top of the rib so you don't get wind uplift like that. At least they did put some snow guards down, which is a good thing. Now I'm going to walk up the roof here. Inside the attic I've already been. They've got some wood damage in the valley. Doesn't help that you got piles of leaves and debris that can allow the water to back up. And I get over here to the sides. Panels can be picked up. You can see the whole valley and everything moving. They didn't put any expansion foam or closure underneath the ribs. You've got more leaves and debris over there. Getting to some of the real good stuff now. Get over here. They left the old flashing on the chimney. Installed some sidewall down the sides right against it. Didn't even caulk it at a minimum. And they installed the sidewall behind the chimney, which is not the proper install. So it's not caulked across the top. They did put a little caulking on the corner, and then shoved a bunch of caulking back behind there, which is not going to work because it's not even attached. And if you think like water, this whole edge is open, so any water wants to come in, hits along here, can go actually underneath and get underneath that. So we get along here. This vent installed here. Sealant's failing. I'm actually this thing's creaking underneath me, halfway scared walking on it. Pipe boot, not done properly. Should have fasteners all the way around the flanges, the lower flange, and beetle tape, and there's none of that. Get over to this side. I've already been up here and moved the leaves. Pipe flashing done incorrectly. That's got a leak inside the attic. This pipe flashing, obviously not done correctly. You can just move the whole thing. Not supposed to be able to do that. Screws, one every, what is that, 3 or 4 ribs. Not correct either. Screws are rusted everywhere. I'm sure they didn't put any sealant underneath the overlap. But rusted screws, backed out screws, another pipe done incorrectly. So overall, pretty bad roofing job. And they're probably not going to like my inspection report on what actually needs to be done. There we go.